Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction of the Mandeville Highway. Now, as you know, Highway 2000 east-west leg, which is the road we're on now, we just came through the Maypen Toll Plaza, is being extended to Mandeville. This highway currently runs from Kingston to Maypen, but the highway was always designed to run from Kingston to Montego Bay to connect both international airports. So, because of the cost, it's being built in phases. And every government that has come in has continued this highway. So it will reach Montego Bay one day, it's just a matter of time. So the Kingston to Maypen leg is up and running, and this is the highway we are on now. The Maypen to Mandeville leg is under construction and it's over 90% complete. That new highway, or that leg, is going to open early next year. So we are going to look at the highway. So this is the existing road, and we're going to come up to the Maypen roundabout where the highway ends. However, when we reach our roundabout, you're going to see the new highway. We can't drive on it now because the toll plazas are not operational yet, but the road is finished in some parts. So they have blocked off the road to prevent persons from driving on it until it's officially opened. So if you look straight ahead, I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up clearly. This is the roundabout now where the highway ends, but if you look straight ahead, you'll see the Rio Mino Bridge, and that's where the new highway starts. So when finished, this road will go straight into the roads straight ahead, where you see the bridge. So the roundabout will be no more. Now to the right of us is the Maypen bypass. That road will still be there, and it will be just one straight road. And when you're on the highway, you'll just continue straight, and we're going to go over there now and just continue straight. These two sections of the highway will be connected. So as you can see, this part of the road now is level with the existing highway. So straight ahead now is the Rio Mino Bridge. This is the widest bridge in Jamaica, and that's according to the NWA, and they are in charge of all the bridges in Jamaica. However, persons have commented that the Harborview Bridge and the Causeway Bridge is wider. However, the NWA said that this is the widest bridge in Jamaica. Now, if you look carefully, you're going to see them raising the guardrail, because that's how they have blocked off the highway. This section of the highway they have blocked off with the guardrail so that persons can't drive on it. Because as we said earlier, this section of the highway is finished. So persons could easily drive on the highway, but the toll plazas are not ready. So that's why they've blocked it off. They even have a sign up that says no trespassing. You'll be prosecuted. So see them lowering back the guardrail now. So that is to make sure persons can't drive on it. So we're not going to interfere with them. But we do have videos up of the finished section of the highway, driving on it before they put up these guardrails. So you can check out those videos. So the section that's still being worked on is by the Melrose Hill bypass, and we're going to take a tour of that section as well so you can see what's going on. So to just give you an idea now, the highway will start at the Maypen roundabout, the new section, and go all the way to the Williamsfield roundabout in Manchester, and that's where the highway will currently end. And then they have plans to build a highway from Williamsfield to St. Elizabeth, or from Manchester to St. Elizabeth, and that section of the highway will bypass the Spur Tree Hill. So you'll have a Spur Tree Hill bypass. So this is actually a very nice view of the bridge, so you can see how wide it is. And I don't see this as the widest bridge in Jamaica, but Let's wait till they officially open it and then maybe we can measure it, but I don't see it. I think the Harborview Bridge and especially the Causeway Bridge. The Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes. The Harborview Bridge is 4 lanes. This Rio Mino Bridge is going to be 4 lanes, but we will wait and see when the highway is officially opened if the NWA still says it's the widest bridge in Jamaica. Alright, so straight ahead you can see the existing highway where the cars come off. And it is going to line up with this road. So just to give you an idea of the highway now. The highway will start at the Maypen roundabout, which is what we're looking at now, and go all the way to the Williamsfield roundabout. So from Maypen to Clarendon Park, it will run beside the Maypen bypass, which is a road on the left. And then once it reaches Clarendon Park, it's going to go over the hill, and it will go over the hill and come out by the Melrose Hill bypass. Now, it's going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass. However, there will be no toll plaza on the Melrose Hill bypass. So if you're heading from Mandeville to Poros, you can still use the Melrose Hill bypass. It's going to be free to use, but it will be a part of the highway. And there is a hill when you're going from Williamsfield to Poros, and that's Melrose Hill. Now that road is very narrow and very tedious to go over. So a bypass was built called the Melrose Hill bypass to get you from Poros to Mandeville quite easily. And that bypass actually leads into the Winston Jones Highway. So that section from the bypass that leads up to the Williamsfield roundabout will be a part of the highway, but as we stated, you don't have to pay to use it. And that's actually the section that's being worked on now. So once that section is finished, they will open the highway. And so you can get from Kingston to Mandeville quite easily. And the town of Mandeville is actually preparing for the opening of the highway. They are working on their traffic management system. They are working on widening the intersections because they anticipate a lot more traffic in the town. New plazas are being built, apartment buildings are going up, because with the opening of this highway, it's going to bring a lot more opportunities for Mandeville. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for taking a tour with us. Have a good day.